Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. I'm at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. We're looking at a Lance 2025 Lance Squire. It's a SQ19. I really like this heavy, very heavy metal slide for your pass-through storage. And this is a new model, the Square. Good looking wheel and tire setup. Nice awning, covers almost the length of the RV. I do want to show you just a couple things on this side. So we have additional storage. Now this is the dining area, and when we get inside you'll see what that is. And then we have the pass-through storage. This is the other side of the pass-through storage, so you can see that slide, and then that's your power shut-off. And that slide, that's that slide that I pulled out, and your front LP bottles, and that's where your batteries would go. I've got it plugged into the golf cart. Here's the SQ19 badging, as well as the four-season comfort technology. So right when we walk inside, we have a very large cabinet here for your hang-up clothes. And then we have two very nice sized drawers. And then this is a real nice cabinet. You can use it to hang up clothes. You can also put your brooms and larger items like that. Just because we're here, I'm going to go ahead and swing around and hit the bathroom. So we have a corner radius shower, an exhaust fan, LED lighting, commode. When I close that, so here's the dining area, and I was outside and I showed you that storage there. So it's a U-shaped dining. We have a couple LED puck lights above, and then we have these very large drawers. There's two of them under each bench, and that is a slide on that off-camp side. As I swing around, we have two cabinets underneath and bins that slide out. I'll go ahead and show you just so you can see it. These little bins that, like trays, that slide out. Nice size sink. And then this is a restaurant style, and it's been winterized, but a restaurant style spray faucet, cabinet above, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and very nice oven. We have your refrigerator and then freezer on top. And then on the, before we get into the bedroom, we have the thermostat. We also have a couple little cubbies for magazines and whatnot. And you can put whatnot in there. Very nice size bedroom. And then you can pull this curtain for privacy. And then naturally, you can also drop this down for additional sleepers. And then I'll show you the underbed storage. Very nice amount of storage underneath the bed. We have your electrical cable, and then the box for your 24-inch TV. It is 12 volt. And then you have your stereos and stereo speakers. Cabinets on left and right. Cabinets above, a single drawer on left and right. And then again, that's your pass-through storage that I showed you from the outside. Exhaust fan here. Ducted, here I'll show you, ducted HVAC, and then you also have an exhaust fan for your kitchen. And I'm just going to back up, speaking of kitchen, and just show you that one more time. So again, 2025 Lance Square, it's the SQ19. Any comments, questions, leave them below. And again, I'll have a link below for new, used, service, and parts at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. Thanks again for watching.